Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube creative studio. My name is Sonia Nebeska and today I would like to choose some pom-pom on my new hat. There are beautiful Christmas decorations everywhere and Christmas trees and Christmas garland, and there are also so many people in hurry to buy some Christmas present, and here I am. This is my favorite local shop. Hello guys, and this is my new hat, and I also created a new neck warmer video tutorials how to crochet this hat, and also this neck warmer is available at my website. The written pattern is for free and the video tutorials are here for you as well. I used papatia roving. There are so many colors which you can choose. In one ball there is 100 meters, 100 grams, and it's 80% acrylic and 20% wool. And I absolutely love this yarn. Just one ball for one hat or for one neck warmer. And this is this magic box which is full of pom-poms. They are very small pom-poms and very colorful pom-poms, rainbow pom-poms for kids, and they are also really big pom-poms which are ideal for woman hats. And to be honest, I absolutely don't know which color, which size would be perfect for my hat, so I hope you will advise me, you give me some recommendation, you help me to choose. The color of my hat is very specific and it depends on light. Sometimes it's more gray, sometimes it's more brown, sometimes it's light, and sometimes it's more dark. So well, I don't know, so I'm choosing the pom-pom. I don't want to have pom-pom in the same color, so I think that the color should be more lighter or more darker. So this is the choice of pom-poms I really like, and I think I will choose top 3 for my hat, and probably I will buy 3 pom-poms and I will change them regularly. And this is my new neck warmer. What do you think? Do you like it? It's so soft, so warm, and I put the button on this side and you can choose what style you like. I like this one. Put the sides on my shoulders, and I also like to put the triangle in the middle with the button on side. And my new hat, the pattern is absolutely perfect for beginners. It's quick and very easy, and I will give you the links for the video tutorials in the box below. And I choose this white pom-pom with dark ends, or this brown which corresponds with the wooden button on my neck warmer. And I also love this dark claret color with dark brown and black ends. So I love these 3, and I would be really happy if you will tell me which pom-pom you like and how you choose the pom-pom for your hats. If you like to have the pom-pom in the same color, or if you like the pom-pom different colors. And this is the end of my visit in this local shop. Thank you very much for watching. I would like to wish you nice and Merry Christmas time spending with your loved ones. Wish you also happy crocheting. Please let me know how your hat and neck warmer turned out. Take care and bye for now. Bye bye.